How to use Canva AI 2.0. Now, for years, design tools followed the same pattern. Okay, you're going to open up a blank canvas. You're going to drag and drop a few elements, adjust those fonts, tweak your colors, and slowly build something piece by piece. It did work, but it was pretty slow. Now that entire process is being totally flipped. With Canva AI 2.0, you're no longer just designing, you are actually directing. So instead of manually creating everything, you describe what you actually want, and the system is going to build it for you. Presentations, social media posts, videos, branding kits generated in the matter of seconds. But here's the actual catch. Most people barely scratch the surface of what this can actually do. So in this tutorial, we're going to go deep. Okay, not just how to use Canva AI 2.0, but how to actually use it effectively from beginner level to advanced workflows. Okay, so let's go ahead and actually define this properly. Now, Canva AI 2.0 is an upgraded system that integrates artificial intelligence across the entire design workflow. Instead of separate tools, everything is absolutely connected. And you can access it directly through Canva, or you can even search it up and Canva can specifically take you to it. So if you open this space up, obviously the people at Canva are going to show you the Canva AI 2.0 section. Now you can generate text, you can generate images, layouts, and even videos all inside one platform. It goes ahead and includes incredible features like AI design generation, text to image tools, and you can also get magic writing, background removal, auto layout, and resizing. And moving on, the real value is not in the individual features. It is how all these features are actually going to go ahead and work together with each other. So what you can do to actually start using it is you can integrate the AI for yourself, okay? And if you go over to design, you go over to product, you can see the different features you can use over here in the AI. Okay, and in the AI, you get magic layers, Canva AI Assistant, Canva Code, Magic Resize, Magic Animate, etc. And all these different features are places that you can pretty much use inside of Canva. Okay, so basically, to use all of this or to use the general AI products, what you can do is simply come over here and you can either use this section, or what you can do is come over here on the bottom left hand side where it says Canva AI. And once the AI has built up, you can go ahead and start using things for yourself. Okay. Now, obviously, you're going to notice that the interface hasn't changed dramatically, but the capabilities, of course, have. Instead of actually starting from scratch, you can now go ahead and start with AI. You simply describe what you want to create. And for example, you might type, let's say, create a modern Instagram post for a rock show, and you can give it some technicalities and details. Rock show with, let's go with bold typography, and grunge themes and aesthetics. Okay, so we're gonna go with that. And what we're simply going to do is we're going to hit enter, okay? And what Canva is going to do is it's actually going to take this AI and start developing things for you, okay? And of course, it will depend on you on how you choose to use this AI for yourself, okay? Obviously, it depends on your plans as well. If you have the Canva Pro plan, this is going to be much more smoother and much easier for you. The generations that you create or the designs that you create are going to work pretty efficiently with the right plan. Okay, so get the Pro plan if you don't already have that. But if you do have that, it's even better because you're almost 60% there, because the rest is what AI is going to handle it for you. And that's all the factor of prompt engineering. Okay, and they're pretty cheap plans that you can try free for 30 days as well. So simply go to Canva AI, write, whatever prompt you want. So again, in my case, create modern Insta post for a rock show called, let's go with something like volume 0 with bold typography and grunge aesthetic. Okay, we're going to go with that. You're simply going to enter that in. And of course, once you enter that in, you can see that Canva is going to start thinking things through. So it says, I'll create a modern Instagram post for your rock show, volume 0 with bold typography and a grunge aesthetic. And as you can see, it starts with the creation. Now, the best part about this is that it actually creates variations for you. So you have 4 different variations to choose from, so if your heart doesn't land on one, you can go with something else. And that's the incredible part about this. So you can go ahead, choose which one looks better. And the best part, let's say we open this up, you can actually go into the Canva editor and edit each of these elements separately. That's the whole incredible thing about this. Now, moving on, you could see that all of these are totally editable. You can change the text, you can move these things around, you can change the elements, the background, whatever you want, it is doable. Okay, within seconds, Canva is going to give you a generative design. Okay, and this is just a starting point, not the final product. Now, this is where most people are going to get hooked. You can generate full designs instantly for social media posts, presentations, thumbnails, flyers, but don't just accept the first result. The real power comes from the iteration that you're going to cook. So you tweak your prompt, you refine the output, and guide the system towards your vision. So think of it as a collaboration, not automation. So let's say you can go here and write, keep it more, graphical and use funky colors. Okay. We're going to add something like that in. And once we do that, as you can see, Canva's going to think more and it's going to see what it needs to do. And of course, it will start implementing it right away without a shred of doubt. Okay. That's the cool thing about Canva. That's what Canva actually brings to you. That's what Canva provides to users like you. So what we're simply going to do is we're going to wait for this to finalize your whole design, and we're going to wait for this to, fully load in. And of course, once all of that is done, you have the designs to change from. How incredible and cool is that? Then moving on, you also have Magic Write, okay? Which is basically an AI content creation tool. So inside Canva, you can also ask it to write something for you. So, write me an article on, let's say, Mars. Okay. We do that. You send it in. And as you can see, Canva is actually going to go ahead and start writing the article for you. And look at that. How cool is that? That Canva AI is not only there for designs, but it's also there for all other types of things. And again, the quality of everything depends on your input. Then you have text to image and visual generations. Okay, so we already saw the text to image, but you can also go ahead and add in an image for yourself. Okay, you can choose the quality for yourself, choose the image you want to brand for yourself, upload that. And once you upload that, Canva will, of course, create a design just like that for you. Okay, so let's say I'm going to go ahead and add this image and I'm going to be like, make this 8-bit and, very let's go with new metal and grunge. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and write that in. And once we go ahead and send that in, Canva actually goes ahead and changes the image style as well. And obviously, it does that totally through the AI API that it has. Okay, the AI agent makes those changes for you. And look at that. The image that I provided is totally 8-bit now. How cool and incredible is that? So these are all the fun things that Canva AI can do, and you can go ahead and use this for yourself straight away as well to give yourself a full working workflow. Okay, so that is pretty much about it for this video. Now, if you enjoyed watching, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, let me know down in the comments below, and I'm going to be making a whole lot more for you. Till then, that is all from me, and I'll be seeing all of you wonderful people in the very next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.